I got a very disturbing call from my accountant. Seems like you've been snooping your nose into my business again, Bagang.
I was merely just doing my due diligence as MP.
Mbele?
We're currently strapped for cash, sir. Fuzinale case yabo Makubane is hanging over our heads. We can't afford to be investigated by SARS.
You listen here, Miss Little Sherlock Holmes. Le mali isifihle kuma offshore accounts nazo zonke la emhlabeni wonke ubaba kuyabandakanyela. If I go down, he goes down.
Exactly. Ingakho kumele ngenze isiqiniseko sokuthi none of this comes up and that there's no paper trail.
Hi, akekho umuntu othile noAyanda namhlanje akakafiki.
Right? That's so... Imoto yakhe yazi ikhona ipakile lapha enzansi.
I don't know, she could be having breakfast somewhere.
No, she missed her 8 a.m.
That's not like her.
Manin. Lass ngicela phuma. Phuma!
Kwenzenjani?
I...
What is it? What's going on? Come on. What is this?
Bamthumbile uAyanda, bamthathile.
What? What do you mean? I understand. What do you mean?
Ma ungafunda lapho uzobona ukuthi bathini. They've kidnapped uAyanda, bafuna 5 million rand.
Okay. So what are we gonna do?
We're gonna pay it, of course.
You don't have that kind of money.
La baka. uAyanda, mntanami. Ngathengisa nendlu yami ukuthi abuye.
Yazini. Ngcono sifonele amaphoyisa.
Hey! Alinge uyenze leyo nto. I'll handle it.
How do you suppose you're going to handle it?
Well, okokuqala into ongayenzela yona is to shut that pie hole.